course, guys, I got a new slime. But here's the thing, it is a pastel purple with kind of glitter. Do you see that? Also, it's such a good slime that I see. I mean, like, I didn't even know it was slime at first. I had to ask the manager what this was, and she was like, $6.90. That's the price of this thing, girl. I'm asking what it is, not the price of it. Okay, anyways, let's dive straight into it. Oh, and it's overflowing. Okay. Love the glitter. Love the juices. So really pastel color. Not sure if that's a good thing. I'm usually a fan of darker colors, not gonna lie. Okay. It's kind of hard to stretch. Okay. Very nice pops. Oh, so you can't really like do this, then oh my god, it's just kind of hard to do that. Okay. Okay, no, this is not really my type. It's not that type. It's okay. It depends on what type of slime you like. So I guess I kind of like this slime. I mean, it's not too bad. Love the glitter, I love the color, and the color is okay. I like it now. And I don't know, I just think it's not too bad. It's still overflowing though.